today finally we are heading to Chiang Mai. Finally we are going outside of Bangkok. Check it right now. Subscribe for the new music coming up soon. Yeah. Boom.
Why you buy it?
I forgot to buy pajamas.
You forgot to buy pajamas? Last time you forgot to wear the good pants. This time you forgot pajamas. Always buy it.
Okay, first stop of the day, a late stop, but we are getting scooter for one day. We want to travel some temple just around the city, and it's much easier. And tomorrow, because we are going in the mountain for the tent, we will rent a car. Yes, for 24 hours again, and it's not that expensive. Yeah, but let's get the scooter. So we got to the first point.
The popular road here.
I came especially for her, for KP.
Got a lot of pictures. Thank you.
Yes.
See my face. Looks bad.
So we end up in another cafe. I just find out apparently Chiang Mai, beside the nice views and hills around here, is pretty famous for these coffee shops with fancy blueberry cheesecakes and a lot of Instagrammable places. You will see more after that. We are gonna eat this. Oh, do you want to taste it?
I want to take a picture first. Let my camera.
Pictures first.
Camera is first, please.
Another Instagrammable place on the list. Checked.
Transit number 8.
Yes,
The name
transit
of it.
number 8. Right there. Photo shoot. Right here. Photo shoot. Right there. Photo shoot. Everyone comes here for some cool Instagram photos. Especially KP.
No, I'm not. No.
Yeah, but we had some good cheesecake as well. Pretty good. Okay, see you to the next one. We got to an amazing place again. I haven't seen something like this before, but it's a temple, and it's full white. We took a lot of photos around. Probably
you.
Me, probably I won't post any, but it's a cool place. These are graveyards of some important people, relatives of the kings and monks. We are going to mark another temple on our list next. What was the name of this temple, by the way?
This temple? Wat Suan Dok.
Wat Suan Dok. Suan Dok. Wat Suan Dok. Okay, and next we are going to beep 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 beep.